Quant family, it's Louis Crypto here, back with another quant update. We're looking at the bullish divergence that we spoke about in yesterday's update, and when we did come down for this higher low over here, we can see that we failed to put in a higher high, so this is quite negative. You do have one more chance as long as you're holding this low, so we are now currently bouncing. What I now need to see for those bulls out there, if you do want price to come back up to the highs, maybe even up to all the way over here, we would need a reclaim of the 20 and the 55. Otherwise, you can see it was a fake out, so we tried to climb above and it basically almost forming this bullish crossover here. But of course, as price came back down lower beneath the moving averages, you've formed an EMA repel. And we see this to the left over here where price climbed above the moving averages, all of them set to head to the 200 EMA. Price fell beneath all of them, creating this throwback EMA repel and a slingshot motion to the downside. This is now what we are seeing. But as we look to the left over here, we have some wicks to the downside as well as over here, and we can see it was lost and reclaimed and confirmed the support, confirmed the support, confirmed the support. So there is a lot of support in this area to give Quant another chance to go ahead and reclaim these levels, but it's not what really should happen. There's a chance for it to happen as you are still holding support, so technically a higher low, so that would be your reasoning. But as we are beneath the moving averages, the expectation you just run up into them and then we do get rejected, even though we did have this bullish divergence. So right now, if we want this to continue, it has to climb above, but it's not really what should happen, so please do understand that. I just want to look at those highs over there. No, there's no bearish divergence as of now, but we just got lower highs and lower highs over here, so they're not in disagreement. We're looking for disagreements where price was trending lower and this was trending higher, and that's exactly why we came up over here. So it was nice to see that we called that. I hope you guys did profit along with any of these moves. If you are following the videos but not profiting with a lot of free money being given out on the channel, this is where you do need to go ahead and do some education, whether that's with me or some other YouTubers. That's totally fine. But yeah, I do have everything in place for you guys to become self-sufficient traders. If you do take action on the education, whether that's the course or the mentorship plan, you do get 3 months free in my Discord community, where you have access to over 90+ students of mine that have been taught by me, and a lot of them are self-sufficient traders, so people that don't really need guidance, they can go ahead and do it themselves. So yeah, if you want to be part of that tight-knit group, again, everyone's there to help you. They do share trade ideas. I do post my personal investments and what I'm looking to invest in the future, as well as doing more exclusive content in there, whether that's just more charts or doing the weekly group calls. If that's something of interest and you want to be part of a community like that, then go ahead and join. All the links can be found in the description down below. If you just want to ask me some more questions, just hit me up on x/twitter.com, and then yeah, we can go from there. Cheers guys, that's it from me, and I'll see you next week on Monday. I think I'm gonna have this weekend off, but yeah, thank you guys, because the views have gone up loads this week. Had a really good week on YouTube this week, so thank you guys for the continued support on the channel. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys, and you're really the people that keep me going essentially. If the views weren't coming, I wouldn't be doing it. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you next week. Cheers.